This module was really important for helping me to identify and separate what is actually bullying and what is, just a negative interaction that two students are having that is much less severe than sustained bullying and something that should probably be addressed in a different way. Hi, my name is Erin. I have been teaching math for the past 3 years. The module talked about 3 criteria to use to identify bullying. And that was the most specific information that I'd ever seen about how to address what is really bullying. And one thing that they talked about was intentionality. And that was really important for me as I was bringing it back into my classroom, because I started to separate different negative interactions into different categories. And so it brought me to talk to students a lot about the perception that other students have of their actions. So rather than going in an accusatory way, thinking about intentionality, hey, did you realize that a certain person is perceiving your actions in this way? So I think that allowed me to have more of a conversation with students about what was happening and use kind of some of this framework to guide that discussion with students. And then in situations where I did identify that it was serious and it was bullying behavior and it was something that needed to be addressed, I think students also appreciated that, because they saw that if it was something serious, that it was going to be addressed, and that we were going to put an end to that, and we were going to take a stance in our classroom that was not acceptable behavior.